guys, so welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're doing an eyebrow tutorial. Basically what you'll need is a brown eyeliner, the one I just showed you, and concealer. So this concealer is from Kylan. It's a shade that's lighter than my skin tone, so that's what we'll be using to clean off the brow. And we'll need this brush. It doesn't have to be necessarily this one, it can be any small brush. And that's basically me just showing you the soap that I'll be using. So this method I'm using, I'll be taking a spoolie, which is that brush that you see right there, and I'll just be dipping into that soap. So what this does is that it allows the brow to like stay in place, like your brow does not melt, and it stays in place like just the whole day. It does not move at all. So what you need to do is you need to take that soap and add a bit of water, and then just run through that brush in there, and then just keep on dipping from the soap and then applying it to your lash. Guys, this method, like I've tried it like multiple times, and then like it's really been working out for me. So what you then do is you take that brown eyeliner. This is just a no-name eyeliner, and you want to start drawing a line there at the bottom. So you need to slightly do this, don't be too harsh on it, so that you can try and make the eyebrow as natural as possible. Not natural as such, but like just so that can be a bit slightly light. Sorry about that, my lighting was just a bit horrible. So you just want to go in there, and I'm lightly adding this liner on the eyebrows, and I'm not being my finger, I'm making sure that my finger is like really light, so that it doesn't come off as too harsh on the brows, if that makes sense. So you just basically go in there, and then what you will do from here is you will then clean that eyebrow with a concealer, that one that I just showed you, with that brush. It doesn't necessarily have to be that brush that I showed you, can be any brush. So you just clean and then just follow that line that you went through with the brow pencil. I hope I'm making sense. So basically that's it. And with the soap method, guys, like I said, it really sticks on for like the whole day. Like my eyebrow does not move even when you actually try and like smudge the thingy, the eyebrow, nothing happens to it. I'll show you guys later on in the video what I'm referring to.